What's up, everyone? Let's talk about HUMBL or HMBL. There's several news catalysts brewing that will take this stock to the next level. I will share with you my thoughts on this and what it means. Now is probably the best time to load up on HMBL if you have not already done so. This stock has minted a lot of millionaires earlier this year. Could you be the next millionaire? I will also share with you my price predictions and what I have been doing, so stick around. Swadikap, that's hello in Thai. My name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. I'm a former engineer and data analyst that have turned $50,000 into over $500,000 in 15 months. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please note that I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Everything I say in this video is purely for educational and entertainment purpose only. And if you want to get free stocks, be sure to click on the Hmbl link below in the description or in my comment section. You'll get 2 stocks up to $1,900 per share like Google stock. Yes, our viewers have received Google stock. All you have to do is set up an account and deposit $100. Also, come join us in the Quantum Finance Patreon for our weekly watch list with buy and exit price points and other great technical analysis to help you make lots of moolah. To join, please click on the Patreon link in the description below or in my comment section. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. For those who are new to the channel and don't know what HUMBL is or HMBL, it is a new Web3 platform that seamlessly connects consumers and merchants with simple tools for the digital economy. HUMBL has 3 core divisions: HUMBL Mobile, HUMBL Marketplace, and HUMBL Financial, which all works together to optimize new technologies like blockchain and digital asset for global consumers. Last week, CEO Brian Foote posted on Twitter that HUMBL Marketplace NFTs section was launching in the month of April 2021. He also mentioned that HUMBL is proud to be working with Major League Baseball players such as Johnny Cueto and Nelson Cruz to be some of the first in their sport to create blockchain NFT collections. If you've been following on the NFT stocks or non-fungible tokens, you know what it can do to a stock. Just think of TAK. After news speculating that they're involved with the NFTs, their stock went up from $3.86 all the way to $74.11 in just 7 days. If a stock price can explode almost 2,000% on just speculation on NFTs, imagine what HUMBL stock will do when an official announcement to the mainstream media that HUMBL is on the NFT play. Earlier this week on Monday, Brian posted on Twitter that HUMBL was featured on the Forbes magazine for the article about HUMBL blockchain innovations, NFTs, and marketplace technologies. On Wednesday of this week, CEO Brian Foote tweeted that, quote, "On Friday, traditional US stock market will be closed. The 24/7 digital asset markets will not be. Available in the US from April 2nd across multiple exchanges at HUMBL Financial," unquote. He went on to tweet that the block ETX will be compatible with accounts on Coinbase Pro, BritX US, and Binance US. An official press release this Thursday morning, quote, "HUMBL announces launch of block exchange traded index ETX products in the United States," unquote. So what is block ETX, you may ask? Well, HUMBL Financial created its block ETX products to simplify digital asset investing for customers and institutions seeking exposure to a new 24/7 digital asset class. HUMBL Financial has developed proprietary multi-factor blockchain indexes, trading algorithm, and financial services for the new digital asset trading markets. The block ETX comprise over 20,000 lines of proprietary code and are architected across index, active, and thematic investment strategies. They're completely non-custodial, algorithmically driven software services that allow customers to purchase and hold digital asset in preset allocations through their own digital asset exchange accounts. Essentially, what this means is that it uses AI to assist on tradings. You can summarize it as a robot trading which can make non-emotional and data-driven buy and sell trades in real time to optimize your profits. This is a very powerful tool to invest in digital assets. I've heard from several people, friends of friends, overseas who have used this and are raving about the profit they have made. I've heard anywhere between 500 to over 2,000% in a relatively short period of time. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to set up my own account. As stated earlier, the block ETX will be compatible for US customers who have accounts with Coinbase Pro, BritX US, and Binance US. It is also to non-US customers who have accounts with BritX Global. It is first available on the desktop and web versions before being available on the HUMBL mobile application. To expand its product reach, HUMBL Financial is open to licensing of the block ETX to institution exchanges worldwide. HUMBL Financial also plans to offer trusted third-party financial services in areas such as payments, investments, credit card services, and lending across the HUMBL platform over time. It is worthy to note that HUMBL Financial is led by the former CEO of CoinBook, Kevin Waite, as well as Jacob Davis, Senior VP of Blockchain and Algorithm Technologies, and is advised by Jane Edmondson, CEO of EQM Indexes. As of this morning, Brian posted an image of HUMBL billboard and stated that it will be in New York City, San Francisco, Miami, and Boston. Brian recently stated in his last shareholders meeting that HUMBL could not launch its ETX and that there were over 15,000 people in USA waiting to sign up. Monthly subscription fee is about $5 per account per month. If you do a simple math on what type of revenue it would generate for HUMBL, that comes out to be about $75,000 per month times 12 months, which gives you $900,000 per year. This is assuming that the number of new subscriptions did not grow and stay flat at 15,000 for the whole year. Now, we will perform a sensitivity revenue model and say that the membership growth rate is at 5% each month. This will generate an annual subscription revenue of $1.25 million. At a 10% monthly growth rate, it will generate a $1.76 million revenue. And at 15% monthly growth rate, it will generate $2.5 million of annual subscription revenue. Note that HUMBL Block ETX is being launched in multiple countries. Just imagine if there's like 10 countries, multiply $2.5 million times 10, that's $25 million. Now multiply that by 20, that is $50 million. Can you see how the math works out in favor of exponential growth for HUMBL? Anyways, my spider sense is telling me that something big is coming very soon for HUMBL. So for the past week, I've been rotating out of some of my positions to increase my HUMBL positions. Right now, HUMBL is being heavily manipulated by the market makers. They're suppressing HUMBL stock price by naked short selling to shake out weak hands so they can scoop up cheap shares later on. When this happens, I can only say that there will be a short squeeze that takes place sometime next week. Plus, since the market is closed on Friday due to Good Friday national holiday, now we have a 3-day weekend, and as more people will learn about the latest development, there will be more investors buying into HUMBL stock next week. Bear in mind that there are some people who are still not aware that the HUMBL ticker symbol TSNP has been changed to HMBL. Let's look at its 1-minute chart. You can see that HUMBL was up at the opening bell at $3.78 and was being manipulated to as low as $3.47. It has since recovered and consolidated between the $3.61 and the $3.68. Let's look at its daily chart. It closed at a $3.61.5 level. It was up 0.5 cents or 0.14%. It is in a mild bullish uptrend. The volume is very low because most investors are unsure of what to do and seem to be on the sideline while the market makers are heavily manipulating the stock. Its MACD lines have crossed and sits just above the 0 level. Its RSI have crossed the center line into a bullish territory. Note that the support level at the $2.80 was tested not once but 4 times, and this has become a very strong support level. So I do not think it will see that level for a very long time or maybe never again. It will retest the $4.24 resistance level above, which is at a double strength resistance, as it had failed to break through it twice in the past. Once it's above the $4.24 resistance level, there is only one more resistance level above it, and that's at the $6.14. With HUMBL being manipulated, I could see some type of a short squeeze take place next week that will spike the stock price up higher. My 2 to 3 weeks price prediction is that it will reach a double-digit level at the $10 to $12 price target. Once the media and the world catches on to HUMBL's development, and especially when it reports its earnings in mid-April, I can see HUMBL go even higher. I can see this stock easily hit the $30 to $40 range by the end of the year, and potentially go even higher to the $50 to $70 range. If you like the technical analysis like this, especially with my entry and exit points along with the probability percentage, make sure to join our Quantum Finance Patreon page. Here's what some of our members are saying. Special thanks and shout out to Adam, Suwana, and Steve. Adam Brown stated, quote, "Great call. I've been making lots of moolah with this swing," quote. Suwana Mason Singh said, quote, "Thanks, I have learned a lot. I wish I would have joined earlier. It would have saved me thousands from making mistakes on investing," unquote. And lastly, Steve Berman stated, quote, "Anthony, this is ideal information, especially for a beginner like myself. Best channel on YouTube by far," unquote. So there you have it. If you find the video of value and you have not already done so, please like and share the video. Please also hit the sub button and the alert bell. Thank you, and let's go make lots of moolah.